Hi, I'm Bob from the Amelia Island Rotary Club, and I've been asked to talk to you about our Summer Fun virtual wine tasting fundraiser to be held this year on May 8th in the comfort of your own home. And the reason I've been asked to help you sign up for the virtual wine tasting is because there's nothing I don't know about the internet. I know everything there is to know about signing on and getting tickets. You're in very, very, very good hands.
Who are you talking to up there?
I'm explaining how you sign on to the virtual wine tasting to get tickets.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm not joking. I'm very good at this. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is find the Amelia Island Rotary webpage. It's a snap. Okay, step one done. You'll notice on the left-hand side of the page, it says Summer Fun Virtual Wine Tasting Fundraiser Ticket Buying link. Click on Buy Tickets. Great. We've made it to the Summer Fun Virtual Wine Tasting Benefiting Far From Home ticket buying page. Please read the description of the event here on this page while I explain to you a little bit about the great group of people that we're supporting with this fundraising event. This Summer Fun fundraiser supports Far From Home, a group of 4 courageous veterans from different branches of the military who are rowing across the Atlantic Ocean to raise awareness for PTSD and veteran suicide. Wow, that was incredible. I don't think I could possibly do that. I have enough trouble getting out of my own garage, never mind rowing across an entire ocean. Okay, now let's get to the ticket buying part. This is going to be fun. Okay, time to buy tickets. You see on your screen, Access Ticket. When you click on that, you will receive 4 half-size bottles of wine delivered to your door the day before the event. You will also be entered then in a raffle. There will be 4 prizes given out during the event, and the drawings will happen after each of the wines are spotlighted. So if you're having more than just 2 of you, you might want to select 2 tickets. Okay, tickets have been purchased. Now you want to scroll down to where it says billing information. Fill in all your juicy personal information and click Submit. And look, you've done it. Okay, you've just purchased tickets for the wine event. Congratulations. But let's say you can't be home on May 8th, but you still want to donate to this incredible worthy cause. Let's go back up to the ticket box one more time. Okay, so we see the donation box. Each $25 donation guarantees you a bottle of wine in the value of $25 or even higher. And each $25 also includes you in the raffle for the wine drawings during the virtual wine tasting on May 8th. So you see, for the $25 donation, you get a bottle of wine worth at least $25. We call this a win-win. After you're done, you'll then go down and fill out the billing information just as you would have for the virtual wine gala, and click Send. Okay, congratulations. You've bought your tickets, and we've made it.
How's it going up there?
It's going great.
Okay, you do remember that giant Cookie of the Month club.
Who doesn't love a good cookie?
Good. You're going to be getting a giant cookie until 2037.